this all over TikTok. I saw faces being snatched by using this and I was like, I want that. Will it get rid of my double chin? Cut it out. What are you doing? Wow, wow, wow. I just got this fat ass juicy bag of self-care things, and today I'm gonna be giving you guys like a little haul, throwing it back to like the 2013 of YouTube. You know, the other day I just like went shopping with my mom's credit card and she told me I could buy whatever I want. So I just like, you know, went in Sephora, picked up a couple things, and then it just like ended up turning out to be $3,000, and I was like, whoops. Anyways, so today I'm gonna show you guys, but I am in no way, shape, or form trying to brag. I'm kidding. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So YouTube, yes, the platform that you're watching right now, gifted me this bag. I know y'all in the comments right now are about to be shitting on me for saying the word bag wrong. It's bag. They gave me this huge bag of self-care things and they told me that it was worth $3,000. So today I'm gonna unbox it for y'all and show you guys what it would look like if you spent $3,000 on self-care things. This was not my money, by the way. I just need to preface this. It's YouTube gifting me this, which is crazy because they know who I am, which is crazy. So thank you. Kisses. I'm not trying to get sappy here and cry just in my makeup, but y'all know I love you. Anyways, okay, let's get started. Here we have this Sakara Eat Clean, Eat Whole. All right, we have a protein super bar with beauty water, ionic mineral drops, and youth, beauty, and tea. Let's do like a little protein bar taste test. Ready? ASMR moment. I'm gonna give my full honest review here, by the way. I'm not just gonna be like, this tastes good if it tastes like No, that's dramatic. That's really dramatic of me to do. Lemon plus poppy seed. I like the idea of it. I just don't like the taste of it. Anyways, that was off to a terrible start. Oh my god, okay. Youth to the people. Kale plus green tea, spinach, and vitamin superfood cleanser. Yo, I have one of these right now. This is the best thing ever. And it comes with like a little pump and it's glass, so you know you feel super bougie. Youth to the people has actually some of the best skincare ever, and I'm not lying. Oh my god, I saw this all over TikTok. I saw faces being snatched by using this and I was like, I want that. Will it get rid of my double chin? I don't know about you guys, but I have like a non-existent jawline, but maybe it's because I used to not be able to breathe through my nose and then I had to get a nose job because I was such a mouth breather that I actually couldn't form a jaw, and I have to wear a night guard at night now because if I don't, then my jaw will basically become out of place. Fun fact. All right, it's called this New Face Personal Esthetician at your fingertips, and I think you use it and you like and it like makes your face all sculpted. I'll insert a TikTok here, but wow. Then we have this lit up highlight stick. Oh wow, bougie packaging. Okay, what is this? It's a little highlight, it's a little bit dark, but I like the packaging, very, oh my god, do you guys see that? It's magnetic. Wow. Then we have Beach Waver Second Chance Dry Shampoo. I love this packaging. Oh my god, I've had this before. It's called the Oil Control On The Go by Revlon, and if you guys don't know, I'm kind of like a greasy like an oil spill, so I kind of need this because like a lot of the times people will be like, your skin is glowing, and it's like, no bitch, I'm just oily. It's like this, and I think it's like a little ball, and then you can like roll it on your face. Let's do it right now, and it'll like get rid of like all of your oils without taking off your makeup. Wow, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, I literally used this mascara today. The Lancome Lash Eatle Mascara, best thing ever. Oh my god, Kosas, my favorite brand. Yo, Kosas got me on a chokehold. Like I literally went to 3 different Sephoras to get different shades of concealer because I ran out and I could just never go without it ever again because the Kosas concealers are my favorite concealers. But the Kosas wet oils, like lip oils, are really good, but I have a million of these, so maybe I'll do a giveaway like I used to. If y'all wanna win something, just like subscribe and then comment down below if y'all want me to do a giveaway, and maybe I'll do a giveaway in every video like I used to do. Anyways, MAC, oh my gosh, we have a lip liner in Whirl. Oh my gosh, I'm always looking for new lip liners, so I'm so excited. Wow, that's actually so crazy that I'm getting stuff from MAC for free because like I used to walk into MAC and be like, this is crazy. I can't afford any of this shit, and now I'm just like, oh my god, hey guys. Youth to the people. Wow, do y'all see that packaging? Retinol, oh my gosh, whoever designed this needs a raise. Retinol and niacinamide serum. How do I? Whoa, this is so cool. Look at the amount of detail that went into this. Again, Youth to the People, my favorite skincare brand. Well, one of them. Smashbox. I love Smashbox like primers. I already have a couple of these, not gonna lie, because I actually do like them. So again, if y'all wanna win this stuff, just comment down below because I'm like, what am I gonna do with this? Oh my god, the Kosas Airbrow. This is really good too. I have this as well. I honestly just like love Kosas and their whole brand. Rose water. Oh my gosh, wait. This is so like aesthetic. This reminds me of like a TikTok self-care video. What is this? Hydrating Floral Essence. Hydrating Booster. I feel like using this before doing your makeup could be really good. I just love the color green. Did you guys know green is my favorite color? Fun fact, what's your favorite color? Oh my god, Flatter Me, supports a flatter stomach and healthy digestion. Are they calling me fat? Rose water jelly mask. Okay, okay. Benefit Shell pink blush. Oh my gosh, I remember when everyone was obsessed with Benefit. Y'all remember the Hoola bronzer? And like you would see all the white girls like use the Hoola bronzer, but like if you were a person of color, it just didn't work out. But like all the white girls had fun though. Wow, so cute. Cloud Cushion Airy Bright Moisturizer. Oh my gosh, this packaging is so bougie. I've never seen a moisturizer like this. Not gonna lie, this kind of seems inconvenient because like what the f am I supposed to do when like I run out? Just like finger it? Anyways. Patrick Taw. I love you, Patrick Taw. Not Patrick Taw. Oh, my bad. Don't come for my neck, Patrick Star. Patrick Star. Sorry, I always get them confused. Both slay. But Patrick Star, I use his eyeliner right now. Super good. He is so sweet. I met him in person. His makeup line, very good. Usually, YouTubers come out with like products, especially makeup, and it's low-key really fucking trash. But he killed it. Anyways, this waterproof setting spray. I love you, Patrick Star. Oh my gosh. Smile Direct Club Fast Dissolving Whitening Strips. Oh my gosh, how did they know that I was about to film a glow up video? Biossance Squalene Copper Peptide Rapid Plumping Serum. See, this is what I mean when it's so crazy because like these are the expensive brands that are in Sephora and like I'll walk into Sephora and like see all this stuff and I'm like, wow, because I used to walk into stores and like want to buy everything, but it's the fact that I literally just worked with this company like 2 months ago, which is crazy to me. Like y'all remember when I used to like be upset because I wouldn't get any brand deals because I was so unfamily friendly and like gross that like why would a brand ever want to work with me? But like, you know what? Like we've evolved a little bit, you know? So thank you for with me. Anyways, I'm not trying to cry right now. We have a Lavally Glossing Detangler. What is this? This is really cool packaging. This is a exfoliating body serum. This is like the cutest packaging I've ever seen. This purple, what is this brand? Slather. This is good. I'm gonna try this in the next glow up video. Oh, Natrium Purple Ginseng Cleansing Balm. I love cleansing balms. If y'all are using makeup removing wipes or micellar water, cut it out. What are you doing? All this money for skincare just to be using a makeup wipe? Switch to a makeup balm. The one I usually use is from Skin and Lab or Pharmacy, but I'm excited to try this one. Ole Hendrickson Firmly Yours Toning Dry Body Oil. I kind of want to use this right now. I have this thing where I'm actually so dry because I forget to moisturize, but my legs are so dry, it's actually disgusting. This is really good. I've tried other oils before and they don't blend in as smoothly as this one. And it smells good. Y'all need to try this Ole Hendrickson body oil. I'm about to put this in my bathroom because I'm about to use this. Like, look how smooth my, did you just see my pussy? Then we have this air dry cream. Okay, what is this? Is this for your hair? Oh, this is for your hair, okay. Another Smashbox Primer Essence. Nikita Dragon, okay. I've been needing a new eyeliner because the Patrick Star one is running out. Nikita Dragon, I love the bitch. She's the sweetest. By the way, for everyone saying that me and Nikita Dragon look the same, maybe it's because the fact that we're both Vietnamese, we both have dragon tattoos, and we also both got our nose done by the same surgeon. I don't know, just a thought. Sorry. If this is the first time you're watching me, you're probably like, this girl's a fucking brat. I'm usually not like this. I'm just in a silly, goofy mood, okay? Oh my God, Chamberlain Coffee. This is the matcha. Okay, okay. I love me some matcha. We have another Rose Water Jelly Mask. We have Chamberlain Coffee's Early Bird Blend. We have another, oh no, we have a heat protectant spray. We have a Watermelon Glow for skin hydration. You put this in your drink, slurp that shit up, get drugged. We have a exfoliating cleanser and a clarifying toner. Oh my God. Do you like the oil? Does it taste good? I love this green packaging. And then, ooh, okay. We have some Benefit Bad Gal Mascara. Look at this. This bag, it's not done yet. You think it's over? It's not. We then have a Elizabeth Arden Hyaluronic Acid Ceramide Capsules. Oh my God. My grandma and my mom used to use this when I was younger, and like I always thought it was the most bougie shit that you have to like pussy pop open this capsule and put it all over your face every time you want to use it. Oh! Y'all, this is my favorite cream. I use this every single day. This is my favorite scent. I spray this shit on me basically every single day. So the fact that they just gifted me another one is crazy because not gonna lie, I had this thought the other day while I was in my bathroom and I was like, I never be using the things that I actually love because I'm like scared of them like running out, but I'm like, isn't that the point of having something that you love is that you actually use it? This is my favorite scent ever and it's my favorite lotion ever. Y'all need to try it. It's the Sol de Janeiro Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. Next up, we have a Ole Hendrickson Strength Training Peptide Boost Moisturizer. This purple, again, oh my God. Do you guys see this packaging? I feel like such a beauty guru like this. This is gorgeous. Then we have the Eos Shave Cream. This is what I mean though. Like the fact that I worked with Eos before as well is absolutely crazy. Actually, hold on. Let me like, I literally did a brand deal for this Lancome mascara. I literally did a brand deal for this Kosas brow thing. I did a brand deal for MAC. Oh, I did a brand deal for Biossance. I did a brand deal for this primer, this Smashbox primer. Like that's just straight to think about. Because not gonna lie, sometimes I think about it because I'm like not really that sophisticated on YouTube, and like I'm not really like that like aesthetic girl that like doesn't swear and like that's like, you know, like here's this product, like I love to use this every day. Like I'm out here talking about products being like, oh, pussy pop this shit. And for some reason brands are still being like, you know what, maybe we will work with her. But I think that it's because they see like you guys in the comments and they're like, oh my god, like wow, like her supporters are actually like dedicated, you know what I mean? Like thank you for f***ing with me, because if you didn't, no one would probably want to work with me. And I know this for a fact because no one used to want to work with me. And also, sorry, I need to say this as well, it's the fact that I can't lie. Like I can't lie. If something sucks, I'ma say it how it is, you know? This Fig Micellar Oil Cleanser. Ugh, look at this green color. So good. Oh my god, another brand that I already worked with. Belief. This is their True Cream Aqua Bomb. This is pretty good too. And then we have like a little baby size and a little miniature thing. Fun facts about me is I love miniature things. So that does not apply everywhere though. We have the Daily Cleanse, helps clear your skin and body from toxins. Vitamins. Then we have this advanced skincare wand. Oh my god, this is like one of those red light therapy things, because like you know how like red light therapy is becoming super like popular now? Oh my god, I'm gonna use this in my next glow up video. Then we have Milani mascara. Oh, Glossier Future Dew Oil Serum Hybrid. To be honest, I like love the aesthetics of Glossier, but like I'm a bitch that wears a lot of makeup, so Glossier just doesn't really cut it for me, because like you'll put it on and it'll do nothing. People that wear Glossier are like just like naturally like really like, you know? I turn into a transformer the minute that I start putting makeup on. Anyways, aesthetic. Then we have Rare Beauty Perfect Strokes Universal Volumizing Mascara. It's the perfect strokes for me. We love my clean Selena Gomez. I was listening to Who Says today. I love listening to Disney throwbacks, not gonna lie. Before I filmed this video, I was just blasting Hannah Montana because I needed to get in the mood, because not gonna lie, I kind of sounded like low-key depressed. But don't come for me for saying like the word depressed, because I know a lot of you bitches in the comments are gonna be like, oh my god, mental health is not something to joke about. Like, excuse me, do you know who I am? Anyways, Black Magic Uoma lipstick. Sorry, I just need to preface this because not gonna lie, in the back of my brain right now, I'm thinking, oh my god, people are gonna think that I'm so mean, but I'm just making a joke out of it because I used to be clinically depressed. Amcol Light Catching Highlighter. Okay, what is this? Wow, I think this is just like a sheer natural like stick that like if you want to look dewy, you can use this. You know, this is for like the Glossier bitches that like that natural shine. It works though, it does what it's supposed to do. We have some more Chamberlain coffee. We have a Belief Aqua Bomb Hydrating Toner. Hourglass, y'all. I remember back when like I was broke, I would splurge on the Hourglass Mineral Veil Primer because it was so good. But like the fact that I'm just getting this for free now is so crazy, because I used to like save the f up to buy Hourglass because I thought it was so bougie, which it is bougie, but like I'm just saying this because it's so crazy how it's full circle now that like I'm just being like, oh my god, like cool product, you know? Because I used to be like, oh my god, I wish I could receive PR, and now the fact that I'm like unboxing this is so crazy to me, and I'm gonna shut up now. Oh my god, MAC, we have their Glow Play Blush. Ooh, this is so smooth and like illuminating. Wow, do you see how like buttery this is? Wow. Okay, then we have another CBD, 50 milligrams of CBD. Am I gonna get zooted off of this shit? No, I'm kidding. Out of all the products I could have used, this is the one that I opened. Oh my god, wait, I kind of love this. This is by St. June, I don't know. Look at it, it's really cute. This is in the shade Tonic, by the way. Then we have another thing from Smashbox. This is called Be Legendary in the shade Boss, B-A-W-S-E. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Do you see the shine on this thing? Oh wow. All right, last but not least, no. I'm gonna open this, and I have one thing that's last but not least. We have a Beach Waver. What is this? Oh wow, they just sent me like a curling one. Look how pretty this is though. I've never had like a dedicated beach waver before. This is so cute. Should I start curling my hair more? Fun fact, this hair in my hair right now is fake. Did you know that? Yeah, one last thing. I have to grab one last thing to show you guys. I forgot it. Okay. So, when I was at Beauty Fest, I did a segment with Olaplex. Yes, Olaplex. They gave me this fat goodie bag. This wasn't a part of this thing. They personally gave this to me the day of the thing, which is crazy. We have their Olaplex number 8 Bond Intense Moisture Mask. Then we have their Olaplex number 3 Repairs and Strengthens All Hair Types. We have the Olaplex number 9 Bond Protector Nourishing Hair Serum. We have the Olaplex number 4C Bond Maintenance Clarifying Shampoo. This was exclusive. They gave it to me before it dropped anywhere. I think it's out now though. Olaplex number 5 Bond Maintenance Conditioner. The Olaplex number 7 Bonding Oil. I have 2 of these in my bathroom right now. Best shit ever. The Olaplex #4 Bond Maintenance Shampoo. And then YouTube gifted the #3 Hair Perfector. So now I have 3 of these things. So again, if y'all wanna win this, just let me know. And then we also have a mini size of the #9 serum. But that is everything that I got for $3,000. Does this seem like worth $3,000 to you? Let me know down in the comments. But I'm gonna get sappy for a moment here. I just wanna thank you guys so much for watching my videos and supporting me. And I know you maybe like think you're so insignificant because like you're just like watching my videos, but literally without you, I would not be getting any of this stuff like at all. Like I'm literally just a regular schmegular degular person, but it's just the fact that you watch me is the reason why I get this stuff. So I just wanna say thank you because a little kid like me used to dream of getting PR packages and all this stuff, and now it's reality, and it's because y'all watch my videos. So if you wanna comment anything down below, comment down below. I will be reading my comments. And I actually do read my comments, okay? I know a lot of people think that I'm lying, but I'm not. Go check. And if you haven't subscribed already, subscribe, because I know that 40% of you watching this video right now aren't subscribed. Isn't that so crazy? Okay, kisses. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
East and the west, I'm racking up on my breath, power on me, I'm feeling just like a Tesla. Too much tree, the smoke is making my chest hurt. Girl on me, I'm thinking I should've